Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off or change screen timeout on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change our screen timeout, we have to go to settings here. Then we're looking for display option menu here, and we have to scroll down. Here we have screen timeout. By default it's 30 seconds. We can change it to these options from here. For example, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. And now our screen timeout is 10 minutes. Very simple, very useful. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.